Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Brian Kelly reporting to you from my home office here in Garner, North Carolina. Just want to say thanks for deciding to take a look at this video. If you've not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and make sure you hit the little like button, the little bell, so that every time I make a video, you will receive a notification. So anyway, I want to do a really fast video. And talk to you about just a basic overview of what the top secret wealth plan is all about, what you have to do in order to make money. There's a variety of ways to make money you can use as far as advertising. You can advertise on Craigslist or Instagram or Facebook. All those things are free except for, I think, Craigslist are pretty cheap though. But today I want to talk about what most people do. The way most people do it is they send out this postcard. Hopefully it's not really blurry, but this is a postcard. I would have you look at my real postcard, but they're on the way in the mail. I haven't gotten it yet, but I don't want to wait. So this is a digital copy of it, of exactly how it looks and everything. But when you join, you will have access to get this postcard here. I really like it because it gives you step by step process as to what you need to do, and it kind of spells everything out. So everyone I talk to really like this postcard, and it's selling really nicely. But anyway, the best and easiest way to promote the Top Secret Wealth Plan program is to use a postcard, preferably this postcard right here. Okay, so the way it works is this. Okay, so um, maybe you can get we have access to mailing lists and all the good stuff like that. So let's say for instance you get a name on a mailing list, right? So all you got to do, take this postcard right here, put a stamp, put the label on it, drop it in the mail, right? So a person goes to your mailbox, they receive this postcard, and I like this because here is your invitation to get massive cash payments. That's a really good headline. Whenever you do any type of marketing, it's very essential that you have a very good headline to catch a person's attention. So as a person begins to read it, they get more excited. Here it is, cash payments in your mailbox on autopilot. That's a pretty good thing considering all this going on in this country. Excuse me, around the world with this pandemic. People are looking for extra ways to make money. So here it is. They have this information here. It says, on the left hand side, I won't read it, but you can see it there. It's a very, you don't really need any skills, no talking to people, no learning curve, no technical skills. And basically, all you're really having to do is drop a postcard in the mail. And that's pretty much it. So what happens is a person would read this postcard, then they would go to this website right here, which is topsecretwealthplan.com. Now it's going to take them to a video on YouTube. It's going to be 19 minutes long, very informative, explains everything that they need in order to become a part of this program. So once they listen to the video a time or two, what they're going to do, they're going to follow those instructions right there. To get started, follow these steps here. First, you go to that website, which is the video. The next thing they do is they call the admin, Brian D. Kelly. That's me. Okay, at that number right there. Okay. All right, and then when they call me, the first thing I'm going to ask them, oh, my thing is going out. 1 second. Sorry. Okay. I'm going to ask them is I'm going to say, well, what is your PIN number? All right. So whoever calls, they're going to have a PIN number because they had some type of advertisement. Every advertisement that you do for this program, you've got to make sure that you include your PIN number so that you get the credit for it. So what's going to happen is they're going to give me their PIN number. I'm gonna take that PIN number. I'm gonna go into my database. I'm gonna match that PIN number to whoever sent the postcard out. Okay. And next, I'm gonna ask them, hey, do you have any questions? Most people I find they don't have questions. They're sold already, so I don't really have to do a whole lot of closing. But there's some people who do have questions, which is fine. I welcome that. No, that's not a problem. So I'll answer the questions and then I'll ask for the sale. I said, look, are you ready to get started? And most people say, well, yeah, I'm ready to get started. So I'll say, well, this person takes, Cash App and PayPal and, secondary priority mail. Which ones would you like to do? So let's say, for instance, they say, I want to use Cash App. So what I'll do is I will find the person who sent the postcard. I'll give that person the prospect their Cash App ID, and I'll tell them, hey, okay, send John Smith or whoever $140 through Cash App. Okay, and then I say, well, and also send me $10. So a total of $150. So then what will happen is I will then contact the person who sent the postcard, John Smith or whoever it is, and I'll say, hey John, this person is signing up under you, and you have $140 coming to you via Cash App. So once that money is sent to him, he'll call me back, or I'll verify that he's actually got his funds. Then I have my funds, okay? And then once that occurs, I will go ahead and send. There's going to be 3 separate emails. The first email is going to be the welcome package, which includes all the marketing information. The second one is going to be a postcard template that you can use. That people still use that, but not. They mainly use this thing here. And the third thing is going to be a trading course on the Japanese yen. Very good course, very informative. So I'll send all 3 emails as well as that new person's PIN number. So at that point, once they send the funds, then they can start promoting the program right away. So it's as simple as that. Now, also, if they were to send, let's say, for instance, they wanted to send it like via second-day priority mail. What I would do is I would get their email address. Okay, I would get the person's email address, and I have a special email that I send out with what I call it's called payment instructions, and on that payment instructions is going to give the person who sent them the postcard. It's going to give them their name and mailing address as well as mine. So then that person who wants to join would have to go to the post office and get 2 separate envelopes, one for the prospect, and put $140 cash or money order in that, and then they'll have to put $10 in there for myself, and then send it. Now, once they send it, they're going to be given 2 separate tracking numbers. Okay, so I instruct them very specifically that they've got to get in contact with me, either text me, email me, or call me, and let me know what those tracking numbers are. So once I find out what the tracking numbers are, what I'll do is I will forward those tracking numbers, well, that one tracking number, to the person who sent that person the postcard. So that way, that person who is going to be receiving the $140, they'll know exactly where their money is and when it's going to arrive. That's very important. So the great thing about it is once I get the tracking number from the prospect, I can go ahead and send that person their information right away, because once I get a tracking number, that actually proves that they actually have sent the money. So it's not like I have to wait, to receive the money in hand myself as well as a prospect. No. They don't. The person who sent the postcard, but they don't have to wait. Okay, that's important. They don't have to wait. As long as I have the tracking number from the person, then I will go ahead and send you out your information as well as your PIN number, and at that point you can join the program. So it's a very simple program. It really is. 'Cause like I said, mainly people send this postcard out. Again, there's a variety of ways you can. You can do any way you want to, as long as you got to make sure that you gotta have that PIN number on all advertisements, because if you don't, then I don't know who it belongs to. So it's hard. Not saying you won't get credit, but I don't want to have to be searching, trying to find out who it belongs to. If you put your PIN number on there, then I know for sure who actually is, who actually gets the credit for the sale. So that's very, very important. So I just wanted to do this quick video. If you have any questions, of course, you can always give me a call. Let me know what you think. My number here is 919-999-8154. And this video here, I do, just like you, I promote this as well. This is my personal PIN number, BDK1970. Okay, so for this particular video right here, if you are watching this video and you don't have a sponsor, no one's contacted you about this program, then I would love to be your personal sponsor. I'm the owner. I can help you out a great deal with this program. I know more about it than anybody because I own it. But it's a great program. People are signing up every single day from literally all around the world. Seriously. So hey, it's a great thing, and I'll help you out as best I can. So again, go to this website right here, topsecretwealthplan.com. Follow those instructions. Watch that video. The video is very good. It's extremely informative. Okay, it lays out everything that you need to know. Pretty much answers all your questions. But again, if you have questions about this program after you watch the video, that's not a problem at all. You can give me a call, during business hours, and I will answer your questions and get you started right away. I mean, if you want to, I mean, guys, I'm not saying this in a weird way, but this is something that's realistic, okay? This is something that's realistic. You can make $140 over and over and over and over again by simply taking this postcard, just looking at right here, or the one in the template area, and mailing it. That's it. That's all you got to do. Literally, that's all you have to do. If you can do that, then you can definitely be successful with this. You can definitely make a tremendous amount of money. Again, it's very easy to do. There's no talking to people. There's no learning curve. There's no technical skills needed. If you've never made money online or offline before, you can do this. I mean, I don't care if you're elderly or a college student or a housewife or a house father. I don't know, but you can do this, and I'm confident that you can. So again, go ahead and watch that video at topsecretwealthplan.com and give me a call. Talk to you later. Bye.